You are now entering ad void. Welcome back from the ads.
Hello, hello everyone. Holy shit. We are an hour later. An hour late. Oh no. And why is that? You may ask. You may ask yourself. Oh my god. You may ask yourself. Why am I? Holy fuck, 3 Monterino. Thank you so much for the resub, man. For 3 whole months. Holy shit. Thank you so much, man. You're going to end up paying for my food. Anyway, hello guys. I am an hour late today. I am so very sorry, man. I'm so very sorry. Truth is, I was programming and I looked at the clock and I was like, damn, stream soon. Better, you know, finish whatever I'm doing here very fast because I need to stream. Cut to like 40 minutes later, or rather like an hour later. I am 40 minutes late, and I see and I see, I mean, cut to 20 minutes in, right? 20 minutes in, I'm sorry, no, better. I'm 20 minutes later, right? I see guitar's message on like, yo, no stream, and I'm like, holy shit. Oh yeah. I am so late. I need to like finish whatever I'm doing here very fast so I can begin streaming, right? Because I was like, man, I am working on Joe anyway, right? But which is the content of the stream. But I'm like, man, I don't want to show this. If I start the stream now, I'm just going to like, I'm not going to have this cool chat, you know. I'm not going to do like some big like introduction. It's not going to be fun. It's just going to be like, yo guys, I'm live. I'm still finishing this shit, you know. I just decided, man, you know, I need to finish this before, you know, before I start streaming, right? And so I began like being, oh my god, like anxious. I began being anxious, you know, like, oh my god, I need to finish this very very fast, you know. And I just kept typing and stuff. And when I looked at the clock again, it's again 40 minutes in, 45 or something like that in. And I'm already late, and I'm like, holy shit, I promise, like, it's going to be super late, but then I need to stream. And then, but I was also like super hungry on that moment when I finished whatever I was working here. And I was like, shit, okay, I will eat before the stream, which put me late an extra 15 minutes or something, or 10 minutes. I think it was 10 minutes, something like that. So yeah, that's the story of how I am an hour later. An hour late for the stream. It's because I couldn't stop programming. Ha 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 ha. Funny. Anyway, that means RPG idea started 2 months and 2 weeks ago. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. It never took so long. Holy shit. Honestly, like people asks on the group like, yo man, like, oh, what you guys are doing for the characters? And I was like, kind of, it's let's fucking, but I'm not sure about Go. Yeah. Yeah. I was like a bit, what's the word, a bit like shameful, I guess, to say on the group that like, oh, I don't actually quite remember what my character is. I am pretty sure I'm a mage, I'm a human mage, but I'm not sure, you know. So I just stayed silent, and I was like, hey, damn, man. Better check my stuff, you know. Anyway, I need also to bring forth another project that my friend is working on. I was working on this project with my friend like on the past, because I am such a huge fan of D&D Beyond, right? The application where you can create your, what's the name of the project again? RPG Palace? No? Shit. Yeah, I'm a super fan of D&D Beyond because like it's a cool platform where you can like dynamically create your characters, and like there's a cool wizard to creating the character, and like when you finish creating the app, you you can like open the sheet, right, and just like click on the attacks and the dices, and everything will be like generated, randomized. Like the dices will roll in front of your face on the screen of the web browser, to assign like, yo guys, like I roll a 10 on attack damage. I am such a fan of this system, and I was super bummed when my RPG group eventually decided in percent. Yeah. My RPG group eventually decided that they were going to abandon D&D as their preferred game system, right? And why is that, right? Because I had already like spent like, I don't know, $500. No, sorry, $300 or 300 reais. I think it was 300 reais, which is, what is it? 300 reais, which is like $100, I think. I'm not really sure if it was 400 USD or 400 BRL. I think it was actually, honestly, I think it was 400 USD. I spent 400 USD on D&D Beyond because I was like, damn, I wanted to use D&D Beyond. It's a cool system. It was done. We were using D&D. I was like, yo, for sure, let's fucking go. But then they decided to ultimately change their preferred RPG game system, I guess. I don't know how to refer to it. Game? Yeah, the game, I guess. They decided to change their preferred game to be, instead of D&D, they decided to play with Tormenta, which is a Brazilian RPG, right? You know what? Let me lower the volume of the Spotify because I am having trouble thinking because I'm dumb. Yeah. What was I saying again? Yeah, they decided to play a little bit with Tormenta, which is a Brazilian RPG system, right? It's very similar to D&D, but honestly, I also agree that Tormenta is better. It's much better than D&D because like I feel like it allows for like greater customization of the character. The main point people tried to convince me back on the day to switch from D&D Beyond to Tormenta was that like, when you see like a druid on D&D, it's basically the same. They tried mitigating this issue by adding like 3 paths for you to choose when like specializations when you hit level 3 on the druid class, right? But it's still very not customizable, right? So enter Tormenta, right? Enter Tormenta, where you don't really have like a specialization subclass for each class, but you actually have like a list of powers, and each class has access to a different list of powers, and like each level, or rather, I think it's like each other level, you gain access to. No, I think it's each level. Yeah, each level you gain access to a different, like to choose a new power, either from your class or from like the general powers list, right? Like in the general powers list, there is stuff regarding like the weapons you choose. I don't know, general spell casting, general like combat maneuvers or something like that. That like can be used by every class. Like, oh, you double spell range casting, or you can spend like an extra action to like run faster, some that kind of stuff. Yeah, and I think that's very fun, like, because if you get like a druid, there are no druids, but there is like the equivalent, I guess, on Tormenta. But like, let me just choose another class. If you choose like an arcane person, right? Or the arcane class. I think it's Arcanist. Yeah, the Arcanist. If you choose the class Arcanist, you can actually even in this specific class. I think it's only a few that have this. They have a subclass system where you can. Also choose at level 3 which subclass that you get to. Again, very similar to D&D, right? Where recent days D&D, right? Yeah. Where you can like choose between a wizard or like a sorcerer or like I don't know, some kind of stuff, I guess. Or is it like the first level? Maybe it's first level and I'm not remembering correctly. But anyway, just say like if you look at like the same class, which is Arcanist, for 2 characters in level 10, their builds may vary wildly, because like there's so much variation. And I don't know, player expression, as Guitar Assassin said on during the GMTK game jam. It's cool to have player expression, I guess, to just be able to come up with like whatever class you want, which is still, holy fuck, it's so far from Code's system, because like I don't know, Code system is just crazy. It's just like math to the left and right, and you can customize whatever the fuck that you want, basically. That's the feeling that I got from doing the character, right? I am hoping that we can play, yeah, exactly. Even forget everybody's character. Yeah, right. Character. I have tons of characters on there. Yeah, we're gonna use Roll20, by the way. Yo, nice. Do you have like the automated classes? I mean, not classes, but like the automated character sheets on Roll20 properly configured? I have open world system. Nothing is automated. Amazing. You just gotta love it. I hate your system code. I gotta complain. I during the character creation, I started getting like math fatigue. Like everything is like a function with like 3 variables, and like it's I don't like it. I don't like that aspect of the system. Like I really love like the customization and the lore, and how you're doing, like, oh, like there's subclasses and there's the job system, but the numbers, man, holy shit, I hate the numbers. But like thinking about it, not thinking about it, sorry. Code system scares me. Yeah, code system scares me too, because the character sheets changes so many times. After level 20 you will be automating it. You will? I am. Usually I do. You know what, let me show you a character sheet that I did on Excel for Tormenta, right? Where is it? How can I fucking get the fucking thing? Which was like the last character that I did. Damn. It's been a while, guys. It's been a while. It's not Vesna. Vesna is is this thingy, right? Yeah. Inkikishi. No, that's another system. Huh. Well, I have Dave. Dave Hawkins the second or something like that. That's just basically translating the name. Let me share the screen. Here I have a character sheet. You know what? Let me get like a 150% zoom going, right? Even our stupid friend, he started automating. That's not how you write automating, right? Automathing. Oh yeah, automathing after level 6. If I had some time, I would put it on Roll20. It's just plugging numbers. I'm dying. So yeah, I have automated a shit ton of Tormenta using using the fucking spreadsheet, right? And I found some bit of fun in doing it. I feel like I can't do it properly for for code system because I don't have access to the fucking source code, by which I mean the rule book, right? But yeah, look at this. Like you just you choose the race, you choose the class, you choose the origin, you choose the size, which doesn't really matter. Like you can do like the auto calculate the max. No, you can't. Never mind. But this the there is like what's the name of it? There's like a modifier for every character regarding their age, because like if they are old, they get like less. Look at this. If they get old, where is the fucking thing? I think it's here. Yeah, it is. So if if they are old, if they are old, like if they're a child, like they have like no modifiers regarding the age, right? But if they are like kind of old or like very old, they get like -3 on like the physical attributes and +2 on the intellect attributes. So like if you get older, ideally you get like a boost to intelligence, wisdom, and also charisma. For some reason, charisma. Maybe because like old people are charismatic, I guess, most of the time. Every number is in Excel. Where is this? Yeah. Oh, this is the age, right? Okay, cool. Yeah, again. Holy shit. Holy shit. You have like modifiers for each race, right? Damn. I'm pretty sure that this table is based on like percentage of the max age for the race or something like that. I don't know. I can't remember. But yeah. I have this automated, which like automatically selects the name of the whatever, and also modifies it on the total. You know, it auto calculates the attributes, everything in this spreadsheet that is italicized, and in case of numbers italicized and underlined, they are automated from somewhere, right? If you can see here, like they are coming from another place, right? Where I don't know, places. In this case, this comes from here, this comes from the sum of those, these come from like the dice roll that you choose, or the point buy, or the point buying system, right? This comes from, you know, auxiliary tables. Like they match with like the race and probably something else too. I'm not sure, but probably the race for sure, because it's written in here, right? And also we also have the extras, right? For like random stuff that's basically temporary, or I don't know. There are cases where it is makes sense. What is this? Every number in Excel. Those are levels. Extra gains from levels. I never told you because you haven't hit level 100. Here's every job plus modifiers. Oh, come on, Hoyer. This is harder than my system. What do you mean? It is absolutely fucking not. Look at this fucking reference table that you just that you are showing me, man. The fuck. The system, the underlying system for Tormenta is much simpler. And also like the math in Tormenta is designed to be mathed in your head, you know, very quickly on the table, you know, not for balancing ways, you know. I don't know. It's made for you to be able to math in your head, so you don't need to auto math anything, right? I auto math stuff because I am That kind of player, I guess. That's the only way I can describe it, right? My HP mana calculation is hard because of the balancing. Because of balancing was hard, and we ended up doing that. Yeah, yeah, you know. But but also there is something that's like when the game is a single player game, you can throw the balancing out the window, you know, just make it be fun instead of being balanced. But anyway, so you have like some stuff like reduction of fire damage or just general reduction of damage, right? We have the calculation of how much can you move in the grid, depending on like the size that you are, right? I'm also dividing this by like by like how many squares this is on the grid, right? So 9 meters. What is 9 meters? 9 meters is 6 squares, you know, kind of, yeah. Yeah. We also have like the skills, I guess that's a good translation for this. Where you have like general stuff. You can also add like custom stuff for your own game, you know, but like the game already has all of those stuff kind of defined, right? Diplomacy, stealth, strength, I guess, initiative, intimidation, insight, you know, those things. There is also like fighting. There are some skills here that like are tied to how like they can only get this if they have a specific class, or they have a specific power that allows them to get this skill, you know, kind of thing. Like everyone can do acrobacies. No, sorry. Everyone can do athleticism, you know. Even if they are bad, because I don't know, it's just natural. Like if you're good, you're really good. But if you're not that good, then that's kind of fine. But you can still do it. But also, not everyone have the knowledge of like how war plays out. You know, war here is a specific skill because of some reason, I don't know, and you can only get this if you have like in a specific class, or if you justified it on during your background, right? And I am automatically calculating like what like every class and what is it, what every class gains, not gains, sorry, gives you, yeah, what like depending on the class that you're choosing here, this whole column changes based on the class, right? You know, to better show everything in here. So like if you don't have the option, it's just like there, it's grayed out, and in case of the text, it's also striked out. We separated with like C for skills that you need to choose, and A for the skills that you just gain just because you are part of that class, right? And this is also based on like this auxiliary table in somewhere in here. I don't remember. I think it's this one, probably, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, this is cool. This is kind of simple also. But then we have the traits, right? The traits table, subtable in here. It's kind of big, so let me just make it smaller. This thing in here is like basically the planning of your class. So like as I said, like every level that you gain, you can choose to select a new power, right? And once you choose a power, you can just go in here and say like, oh, this is a power from level 6 I just selected, like I this trait is active, right? And you can sorry. let me zoom in this again, right? So like I gain the power self-confidence on level 1, and also like there are those other things that I also gained in level 1. Not everything in here must be a power. They can be like random stuff that, like, I don't know, there's stuff from your background, or just like anything that even don't have a name, you know. Maybe your GM just like invented something that you gained on level 1, and you need to act upon it, right? But I find this cool because, like, I always like to kind of plan ahead when I'm creating the character. I like, oh, like I need to create a character level 1, but like I'm kind of planning until level 3, you know, and I pre-select some powers and stuff, because if I level up, I don't have to get into the spreadsheet, or just the character sheet, and like understand like what I was going for, you know. If I was going for something, I could go straight from the get-go, you know. But then I can limit the sheet for like I don't know. Now the whole sheet is the same character, but now he's level 4, you know, and everything just automatically adapt, which is amazing, and I love this. And also like if like sometimes you don't earn stuff that has to do with numbers, right? Sometimes you just gain some stuff that's like an action that you can do. So then we have like the narrative action, the passive, from narrative passive, or a combat passive, or a combat action, right? So I have like the battle sheet tab. I have the battle tab, and in here we have all of the stats that are like pertinent to being in battle, which is basically the HP, the mana, the defense, I don't know, damage reduction, which is not in here. For some reason, you have also the attributes in here, and we also have those little tables in here. We have the passive, the combat passives, and in here we have the combat actives. So like whenever you are in combat, you have like a little cheat sheet of everything that's relevant for you to know when you are in combat, right? Like those are stuff that are always active, and they are pertinent to being in combat, and those are the stuff that like you can choose to spend some mana to create something, or do something, or like to gain advantage on some move, right? And I find this amazing, right? And I wanted to recreate this in a more structured way, because honestly, during this, and this is also like the magic table, right? Which also actually you can choose, yeah, you can choose like you can just like get the magic in here. You place it in here that like, oh, you know the magic, you know this magic, this spell, you know this spell. And then it automatically goes into the battle as an action that you can take during combat, because it's basically an action, right? And you can also choose like, oh, this is heal wounds, right? Heal wounds is relevant both in battle and also in the narrative, in a narrative sense, right? So we also have we not only have like heal wounds in here, but we also have heal wounds in here, which is cool. You also have like the items, which also like automatically calculates the weight that you are carrying, because like you have the limit that you can carry based on your strength, right? It automatically calculates how much weight does each item, each weight, and also the space. Well, actually, this is regarding the space and not the weight, but anyway, each space that the item occupies on your storage, right? And also sometimes you have like a weapon, or I don't know, an armor, right, that you can actually equip, right? So if the equipment is on use, you also can apply like random stuff like bonus in defense, like penalty to your movement, because this is like a heavy armor, you know, or if you're carrying a backpack, this, like, if you're actually actively using the backpack, you gain extra space automatically on your limits, right? So look at this. So here is the total space that I have, which is 10, and I'm carrying 21%. 21, not percent, sorry, 21 items. Did I? Yeah, I did. Okay. This is just wrong, I guess. And if I go in here and just like that, I'm using the backpack, hopefully the total here will change, right? Blank, changed. Now I can carry 12 and I'm still carrying 21 for some reason. But anyway, which is again amazing, right? Like, I really like those kind of systems. And what, you know, like, we started playing Tormenta and I lost like all of my automations because of D&D, because I was playing D&D, and then I started creating this spreadsheet. But then I was like, man, it's cool and all, like, I love using this spreadsheet. My friends started displaying interest in using this spreadsheet, but it's just so complicated to just like move around the spreadsheet, and not even I really understand all of it, because like I did it like 3 years ago, and whenever I have to edit something, I need to look carefully on how stuff is being, oh sorry, I accidentally bumped into the microphone. Yeah, on how stuff is being automated, right? If I need to add something to the spreadsheet, like a custom weapon, or just like the class, or just a different class, you know, because I haven't done the automation for every class in the game, despite what this drop down may lead you to believe. I've actually just done the automations for the classes that I had to create a character for, right? So here I created like the Arcanist, the Barbarian, the Bard, the Cleric, and the Noble. But we are still missing like all of those other classes to actually, you know, get stuff working. And if you see here, like I started with Arcanist and Barbarian, and I did not go backwards to fill the stuff that I added later, right? Because I began with just those 3 columns, and then eventually I added like the automation for skills that you gain, and then eventually I added like the proficiencies based on like what weapons can you even use, you know? And that's kind of fun. And then I added these. What is this? Oh, yeah, no, never mind. This is something that it's not even being used. And then I have like some automations regarding the god that you pray to, because like depending on which god that you pray to in this system, you earn some stuff, like some extra proficiencies, or some the access to some spells, that kind of stuff. And same thing for the backgrounds, right? Like this system Tormenta here takes the idea from D&D also, that you have like a fixed number, not a fixed number, but like a fixed set of archetypes for the background. Because sure, you can create like a custom background and I don't know, talk to your GM about like, yo, like I have this very specific background, and I want like those items, those starting items, those extra skills, and access to those powers, you know, based on my background. But they have like the full set of stuff that's like basically the cliches that people actually usually go for, you know, which is kind of fun. And I also have this in here, but as you can see, I've only filled 2 of them, not even fully. Yeah. So like in the past, when my friends showed interest in using this spreadsheet, I was like, damn, like you can't really use it. Like I don't even know how to explain it properly. How do you configure this shit? So I just embarked on this endeavor with a friend of mine. I was like, man, we need to do something about it, and we started doing something about it, which is kind of not ideal because I don't have the fucking link to show it. Yeah, look at this shit. God damn it, service is not available, and I don't think it ever will. Something is wrong with it, and I don't know what. I wonder why this is not available. I wonder where I hosted this. I think it was on Firebase. But maybe it was on Netlify. Web.app, I think it's from Firebase. It's probably from Firebase. Why is this throwing an error? I have no idea. But I was actually working on the character creation wizard, right? Because I just thought that this was epic, you know. And my friend was working on the procedural stuff, you know. But that's not the point, you know. The point here that I started talking like half an hour ago is that we're doing this system. It's cool as hell because we want to create the same experience for the same experience that D&D Beyond provides you for D&D for every season that you want, for whatever system that you want. Like we are kind of, quote unquote, kind of no, we're not. We kind of defined like an SDK in TypeScript because then we would be able to define the rules of the RPG system using JavaScript. And like when you loaded like the bundle of the specific system that you want to, you would have access to all of the rules or all of the items that are pre configured in the bundle. And it's amazing, right? But we never got that far into it. Like my friend is still working on it. It's been a very long time since I last touched this project, but he's still working on it. And recently, I've talked with him, and he was like, "Yo, I think I'm very close to having something that works." You know, even though it has no UI because he's working exclusively on the back end for the thing, right? But it is exciting. It is exciting. And I was talking with him about it, and I was like, man, I may want to use the system that we were creating to automate the system for code, right? Because fucking code and the math system. Because it would be amazing, right? Wouldn't it? I think it would. Anyway, let me... Yeah, so it's like bottom line is my friend is working on this project, and I may, if I ever have the patience to do it, I may do, I don't know, maybe a live stream where I try to codify code system into this system, you know, and then I would use the automatic the automatic character sheet from this project to play, because that is much better than using, you know, pen and paper. Anyway, what is happening on the chat? Here's job plus modifiers. My balancing, yeah. If you guys had started playing, we would be having too much fun. Sure, I wanted you guys to experience this stuff in game instead of writing a wall of text. Said, yeah, it's yeah. I'm sorry, man. In my season, I don't have that. In my season, it's like the life itself. You want art skills, you go and try to draw stuff, learn how to draw and everything. The reason we created the system like this is because we were tired of limitations of trade skills. Instead, we decided that the experienced dungeon masters will be crafting skills based on the characters and what they want, and we buff nerf skills while people use them, right? Some people like the predefined stuff, but after being a DM since 2013, I'm kind of fed up with using the same freaking spells over and over and over again. We have no weight plus space limitations except some special items that are limited to strength and endurance stats. And when you start reading those, you've already forgot which part I was referring to. Yeah, maybe, probably. I'm so sorry, Code. I'm so sorry. But I think I understand. I think I understood, because like I feel like there's not much context to like what you are saying to what I was showing on the screen, but at the same time, like I can infer on when you commented stuff based on the contents of the message, that trust me, I'm a little bit, I can think a little bit sometimes. Yo, Yummy, how you doing? How is it going? It's going cool. It's going very cool. I just started the stream an hour later because I was too engrossed into programming that I forgot the start time of the stream. And then I proceed to spend 15 minutes talking about a tangent and not actually working on the stuff that I needed to. Yeah, very, very fun. Other than that, cool, fun, cool. How are you doing? But yeah, I think my objective for this stream was to take a look at the mushrooms, because the mushrooms are kind of not, good. They're not good. Basically, we don't really like that that you can stand still on a mushroom, That's something that needs to be fixed, probably. I'm good studying Japanese and also making a game, but we gave up on that game, Jen. I said before, things happened. Oh shit, I'm so sorry about things happening. Can't be good stuff, right? Because if it was good stuff, then you would still be doing the game, Jen, probably. But anyway, also, cool, man, cool as heck. How are you both studying Japanese and also making a game at the same time? That's kind of crazy. That's kind of crazy. Are you programming in Japanese? Are all of your nodes written in with Japanese names? Is that how you're doing it? No, I'm just kidding. No, okay. Yeah, HP calculation is not that hard. Base HP plus level HP times level plus endurance HP plus endurance times endurance plus extra HP. Well, you say that and you proceeded with like an expression with 3 variables. 3, basically 3, right? Basically 3, because, well, it's not 3, right? It's not 3. It's actually 5. Yeah, you say it's not complicated, and then you proceed to show an expression with 5 variables, That's, Okay, so base HP is actually a constant. Okay, so it's 4 variables and a constant. This is not simple. It's not simple, man. It's not simple. And this kind of scares me. Yo, man. Oh no. That's the wrong 2. What am I doing? 2 constants? Okay, sure. Whatever. Two constants then. Two constants then. Extra HP is constant as well. Oh yeah, yeah, because like it's based on stuff, right? Rather than like the class and the level. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Based on stuff. It's based on stuff. I wish I could say what happened, but we need to keep it a secret until we get a page onto Steam. Yo! Basically, so what I'm getting here, the idea here, shit. Yeah. The idea? The conclusion that I'm getting to here is that you started working on the game gen, and the idea was so good that you just decided, yo man, this is too good for a game gen. Let's just do it on a full release on Steam, right? Is that the case? Damn. If it is, congratulations. Wish it was that. Oh. Oh. I'm sorry that. I don't know what happened. Is it good or is it bad? Should I congratulate you or should I offer my condolences? I just want to say that. I just want to ask that. Ooh, because like when you say like, oh, stuff happens with like a ellipsis at the end of it, I just infer like, yo, that's a bad outcome, you know? Well, isn't good or bad to be honest for now. Oh, okay, never mind then. What am I doing? Not this level. Not this level. This level. Yeah. 4. Fuck. Let's open level 4 then. Level 4. 4 is 4 actually. Players, where are you? Players, are you locked? Why can't I? Okay, there you go. Exploding potatoes go boom. Sorry, I had to type that. No, that's totally fair. That's totally fair. That should be the tagline for the game, honestly. That's all good, you know? We recommend that controller. No, we don't want to start with the full game. We just want to start this specific scene. God damn it. Colorful potatoes explode. Because yes. Woo. Okay, so if you fall into the top of the mushroom, you go to the correct place, right? But if you fall, that's kind of strange, right? Like if you fall to the very edge of the bottom edge of the mushroom, you go way past that. I wonder why. Yeah, look at this. How is this happening? Because like that's kind of fucked up. That's kind of fucked up because like if you see that feels like accumulation of forces, right? Pointing you to different places, but as far as I remember, the implementation for the mushroom just like substituted every force acting on the velocity. I mean, actually, every velocity acting on the character, on the Joel, and just like substituted with the mushroom force, the mushroom bounce, right? But I feel like that's not really happening, and that's kind of a problem. Vhoy, have you seen VFX I made? No, I haven't. Have you posted it somewhere? I haven't. Where is it? Can you show me? Show me, please. But to give you a small spoiler, we are going for an all-in on our next game. Huh. So you're making another Balatro column? It's a poker game. It's a poker Balatro game. Wow, Balatro was already a poker, right? All-in. Okay. That's kind of fun. I will be on the lookout. Yeah. Let me. Okay, please. Thank you. I will be expecting. like a child. No, I will be. I don't know, man. It's missing the words for me. I will be hyped. I am hyped, pre-hyped for Yummy's project. Is that good enough? I don't know, man. I wish you the best. Hopefully, I can see the project soon. VFX, let's fucking go. I'm dying, man. Why am I dying? Oh, wait a minute. Let me change this. Oh, actually. Ooh, blank? Okay, let's try again. First meter, simple moving sprite, shape what? Shape whatever? Let me go back because god damn it, Code, you don't know how to showcase stuff. You need to you know, you need time. Shape what? I couldn't shape location. Yeah. And then we have forces doing stuff with the force, maybe. GPU sprite. Ooh, pretty. Oh, so pretty. Dandelions. Oh shit. This is looking so good. What is this? Sub UV animation. I have absolutely no idea what's a sub UV animation. What's a sub UV animation? Is there like, it's like UV based on like a particle on the main UV for the thing, or I don't know, man. What's a sub UV animation? Flamethrower, Iron Man booster. I don't know, man. For sure. Flamethrower is cool. What is this? Oh, holy shit! This is looking so good. What is this? Oh man, that's so cool. What the fuck? What the fuck? That's looking so awesome, man. Oh man, I wish I could do something like that, like without actually working for it. Like I wish I just knew. Yeah, actually, I've been thinking like when I'm done with Joy Adventure, I'm thinking on spending like a few weeks studying like shaders or like and 3D development on Godot and that kind of stuff on the stream instead of like working on Oscillator on stream. I would probably just work on Oscillator like during the day, and on the stream I would just like study a little bit about shaders and whatever, you know. Something I wish all the time. I wish I was good at something without trying to do it. Exactly. Give me another 1,000 hours. What? Give you an extra 1,000 hours and you're going to be crazy. The dandelions are so good, man. What the fuck? And like they are good with the video compression, you know. Live, they must be much better. I will write VFX artist. Okay. I am having so freaking fun with shaders plus VFX. Yo, sounds amazing. I want some of that fun, you know? Yeah, I want some of the fun. I have been obsessing over Sunexo to study their genius. Oh man. Like this today I was listening to Sunexo the whole afternoon. And I was just like, yeah, okay, I think I get it. And then I just switched to my normal playlist. Sunexo. But let's listen to Sunexo again. Cause they the GOAT. Look at this. Fucking hyperlink. Anyway. Let me take a look at the mushroom code again. Is this even? Kind of funny, but anyway. Radiance, Bounce Force. Not this. Force equals body velocity. Yeah, exactly. Then I grab control of Joe. Like, I want my pianos to sound like that. I tried getting something similar for my Ruder Buster cover, but since the riff is slower, it's hard to hear any similarities. Similarities? Similarities. What's a similarity? Or was that just a typo? Wait a minute. Static Symphony. They have Static Symphony here. Yo, look at this. It's from the other person? Wait a minute. Is this the Is that the song from the thing? From Bootloop? No, it's definitely not. What is this 2020? I thought it was. But then like because of like the cover and the name. But then like I actually don't remember this song. Oh, they collaborate a lot, I guess. Hyper fucking driver. Let's fucking go. Like beats that are similar. What's happening here? OVR, do you happen to know Krynon? He's a musician. It's on Spotify too. I don't think I do. Krynon. Nope, never heard of it. Never heard of. Is that you? No? Okay. Oh, it's great. Oh, the great Elite Ferrex. Oh, you know them? I have absolutely no. I have never heard them. Like beats that are similar. Similar. So it's not a typo. What the fuck is a similar? God damn it. Similar meaning. Fake? Oh. No, wait, what? That's simulated. Similar. Similar is fake? Similar, a person or thing that simulates pretender. Simulated, false, counterfeit, imitative, simulative. Okay. Okay. Oh, you should list Joe Adventure on Steam right now. Damn. what a cool page I just landed randomly here. No, so I'm teaming up with this dude for my next game OST. It's going to be Supreme. Oh yeah. Similar? I don't know, man. Is it similar or is it simular? Because similar meaning similar is like resembling, right? I always spelled similar. I'm a dumbus. Oh, it's so you want to say similar, but it's oh shit. Oh no! Now how the tables have turned, right, Guitar? Now I'm teaching you English. Damn, if that's not a regular American, if I ever saw one. So I'm teaming up with this dude. It's going to be Supreme. Yeah, man. Look at this. I am listening to it right now, and it's sounding amazing. Oh man, I love me my OSTs that have like vocals on it. I don't know. Vocals go so hard always. I love vocals. Anyway. Hello, Tricky. Congratulations on your first. I've always spelled similar. I'm a Denvis. Maybe you are. But who am I to tell, right? I can't even pronounce most words. But yeah, what is this? Similar. Similar. Like I want piano to sound like that. I tried getting something similar. Similar for my Ruder Buster cover, but since the riff is lower, it's hard to hear any similarities. Hmm. I don't know. I don't see the wrong spelling. Yeah, no, the correct spelling is similar. Similar. Simular is another word actually. That apparently that means fake, and similar means how does the dictionary resembling? Yeah, there you go. Resembling without being identical. That's how you define it. Because I was caught in the dilemma of defining similar as similar, you know. Anyway, on the next months we will make the page public and share it with you, but we need some time. Yeah, no, I do understand. Like we made the fucking what's the name of it, mistake. We committed the goddamn mistake of releasing the Steam page without a trailer. You know, you at least need a trailer, you know, to go with your Steam page. Don't release your Steam page without a trailer, please. Do yourself a favor. But anyway, yeah, wishlist graduation see right now. Holy shit! I definitely pronounce similar as similar. So now similar, not similar. Damn. How do you even pronounce it? Wait a minute. Similar. Similar meaning. Guys, let's hear.
Similar.
Huh. Yeah, actually, it's not like a E, right?
Similar.
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 But how do you even pronounce similar then? You don't. Oh, there it is. No, but this is Brazilian. No, I want the English version of this shit. Google Translation, please. Google Translator. Well, Google Translator isn't the best for this, right? Translate. I mean, Google Translate.google. English. Flip it. Similar. Pronounce it.
Similar. 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 Miller.
Huh.
Similar. Simular.
Huh. It's kind of close. I don't know. What's the conclusion? I don't fucking know, man. Let's just get back to the song. Dan, I have actually been pronouncing similar fuck. Oh no. How the hell did you get the page online without the trailer? I mean, you can. It's easy. You just don't submit the trailer. You know? Have you ever released something on Steam? It's very simple. It's just like well, it's not simple actually. The UX of the dashboard is fucking fucking ass. But like just follow the instructions. You can very easily, quote unquote easily, publish the page without a trailer. You can't publish the game without a trailer. You need a trailer for publishing the game, but you can publish the page without the trailer. But just don't. Bad idea. Don't do it. You probably received lots of alerts though. No alerts. No, actually, they give you a checklist of what you need to release, to get the page published, and then to get the game. The game, like uploaded, I guess. Not even uploaded. I don't know, available to download. No. They have like 3 checklists, right? Or 2. I think it's 2 actually. I published 2 games already there. Oh damn, you already fucking know then. What are you fucking asking me? You don't actually have any other. No. Don't know what you're talking about, man. It's very easy. But anyway, but also you can agree with me that the UX for the Steam dashboard is ass, right? Because it is. I fucking hate it, but it's fine also. It's because I never forgot to put the trailer along. I thought it was mandatory. Well, it's not mandatory. It's not a matter of like forgetting it. It's not a matter. It's more like a matter of it's not ready yet. You know. Well, it's my first game, man. Come some slack. Is this guy Brazilian? Yeah. Oh, cool. Very emo. We like it. Oh, not this. GPU with love. Chiptune speedrun. Chiptune is speedrun. Let's hear to some chiptune speedrun. I know him in person. Yo, cool. Holy shit. Honestly, I need to refill my water bottle. I'll be back in a second. I am back. Yeah, cool. Yeah, fucking balls first. Let's take a look at this. Joe GG. Ooh, Terraria songs. What am I saying? Physics, right? Physics process. Okay, so we have the movement force times the control modifier that applies the movement force. I mean that is applied to the velocity, and then we have the velocity length, which you do stuff. You also have the ease on floor. Oh, you also have the velocity. Oh, interesting. Actually, maybe. Is it? No. No, this shouldn't be a problem, actually. Huh. And then you have the drag. And then we have this, which is, I don't know, means nothing. And that's it. Hmm. Wait a minute. Yeah, never mind. You have the jumping processed. I have a lot of stuff being processing here. Grab control 4. Let's take a look at this. Control modifier, eh? Let's set this to 0 actually. Create a tween interval in here. Tween interval for the seconds. And then in here we're just going to, I don't know. In a tenth of a second, we will return the control modifier to the normal rate, right? And in here we have like almost to no control at all. This is probably a good call, right? Let's see how this behaves. You know what? Where's the cheat system? Cheat system, please open. Thank you. Let's get another one in here. Input map, cheat, reload. And here we're going to I don't know, man. Screenshots are the 3, the number 3. Maybe it can be the number 2. Yeah, sure. Why not? I don't know. I don't know, man. M comma? Let's go for comma. I guess. Doesn't really matter, I don't care. Oh, yeah. So I leave event.is action pressed cheat reload levels manager dot restart level release layer. Boom, boom, boom. Bum, ba, da, bum, ba, da, da, dum, bum, 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 bum. Bum, ba, da, 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 da. Okay, now we have a quick reload. Oh, wrong one, wrong one. There you go. We just want to execute this level. Okay. Oh my god. I'm fine. Okay, so hitting the top of the mushroom. Oh shit. Hitting the top of the mushroom. Hitting the top of the mushroom gets you in the correct place, and hitting at like the end of the mushroom hits you in the correct place also. Cool. I think this is fucking fixed. Right? Maybe? Kinda. Kinda, but I think this is, I feel like this is kind of a problem. For what levels? For levels like... let's reset the position of the player. Oh no. Yeah, man. Look at this. Almost fixed. Can you imagine? Once upon a time, that's the garden, that's the forest, that's the forest, that's the mushroom, second mushroom. Is this the level? I think this is the level, yeah. Let's test a little bit. Woo. Yeah, that's... Oh, that's already so shitty. Holy shit, okay. Yep, that feels horrible. Yong. I don't know. It doesn't... Oh, it feels worse when you're on the mushroom. Oh damn, how do I fix this? Why does Spammy stream schedule have him going for 8 hours tomorrow? I hovered over his name in the title. I can fix the level. No. It's not, that's not the problem. It's another thing. It's another thing. I don't know, man. I have absolutely no idea. Hopefully he doesn't go for... He doesn't go for... What is it? For 8 hours. Right? The cat's crazy, man. The cat's crazy. Where is it? Where is Pim's schedule? He has his schedule? Never knew he set this thing. I guess he never fixed it. Look at this. Like we gaming, we arting. I guess he never changed this. Probably why. Hopefully why. So the problem here, I think I understand everything in here, right? So the problem here is that we have the function that's called like grab control, right? I've written this function, and whenever the mushroom applies its force in the to bounce the player, right? To bounce the Joe, it requests for grabbing the control for 2 seconds or for 200 milliseconds. This will make the control that the player have over the character null, zero, nada, right? And also, the control that the player has will be later twinned between 0 and 1 and back into 1, right? For 0.1 seconds, following this function, right? It's is in and quart. Who knows what quart is? I don't. Isins.net. Look at this. So it's is in quart, right? Is it is in? It is. Is in quart. Yeah, that's the function, you know? That's how the look at this. Look at this little fucker. What is it? Is in king quart circle elastic bounce. What is the quart? Here's the quart. Look at this little thingy. That's how it's going to feel. You know how you're going to get the thing, the control back, right? That's how it's going to feel. What's the problem? The problem is that, like, just before we did everything in here, just before I did the change, I was setting the control modifier to be 0, right? I mean, to be 25, and the twinning would happen during the 0.2 seconds, between 0.25 and 1 times the control, right? So, like, when we press the keys in the keyboard or the controller, we change this variable called movement force, right? And like for each tick, each second, it's like each frame, physics frame of the game, it tries to calculate how much of the movement force is going to be applied to the velocity x, right? With this cool as function in here. What is the problem? The problem is that when the player is moving, that, I mean, well, to move to move the player, we calculate this move to apply, right? The movement to apply to the velocity, based on the control modifier, right? That's in here, and the grab control 4 just twins the control modifier, right? Because this feels good. This feels good when you're jumping. This feels good when you are like running around in the mushroom, you know? It feels good. It feels all right, I guess. But the problem is that if you are going to the horizontal direction at a specific velocity when you jump into the mushroom will sum the velocity of the mushroom and also the velocity that you were quote unquote requesting when by pressing the keys, right? And like in the case of the mushroom here, it happens so that like we multiply the movement force for the controller of the player to, we divide it by 4, right? Essentially, we divide it by 4. And then we eventually get it back to 1.0. I mean, not eventually, like the control goes back in this manner, right? What I did to kind of fix the problem of like when you jump into one of the corners of the mushroom was like set the control modifier to 0. Which is a problem because this doesn't feel good, especially when another Joe is throwing you up, you know, for you not to have any ability of controlling the Joe feels horrible. Even Celeste, like you say like, yo, like when you go into the springs in Celeste, you have no control, but actually you kind of do, you know? You kind of do a little bit, and it goes back gradually. I was inspired by how Celeste does it a lot when I tried to code this, right? I guess the numbers are very different from how Celeste does it, but I feel like that's the behavior, right? So maybe instead of just having like the grab control 4, we actually set it to 0. We're going to divide it into 2 steps. Let's try this, okay? So we're going to first transition it to 0.25, and then we're going to transition it to like fully back, right? And maybe the music makes the music makes it seems like you're doing something evil. Yeah, I am doing something terrible. Oh man, this song, Sealed Vessel, goes so hard. I absolutely fucking love this fucking song. You know? It carries so much emotion. I am almost crying right now. Because goddamn. Look at this violin. Like, fuck. I feel like this music perfectly encapsulates the feeling that the Hollow Knight was feeling, you know, throughout his whole life, you know, or something like that. At least during the battle, right? Because damn. Oh man, honestly, I feel the pain of the knight because of this song. It's just perfect. Damn. I can't. It's just too much. This song is perfect. This song is as close as we get to perfection as we can. I got goosebumps all over, guys. Goosebumps all over. Anyway, song's great. Song's amazing. And it didn't end. Look at this. Oh, it didn't end. I feel like that's the ending of the song if you decide to kill the knight instead of, you know, instead of going into the drain, probably. But I don't quite remember. Anyway. So we were doing this. Seconds. First. Second. That's terrible. God damn it, that's a perfect song. Okay, so we have now the control both for like a full fully disallowing any movement. And then we have like another control for controlling how we're going to, you know, allow it again, right? And also the smacking. Let's just set this to 0. And what else? The throw grabs, we're also just going to set this to 0. And for the mushroom, I think we are going to set this to probably like 0.1. And the control also for 0.1. And the light control for only 0.1. Yeah. Or 0.15. That's like such a small time. But it makes the world of difference, right? I think. So this is level 4, and I need to check level 5. Oh, no, wait, wrong level 5. Forest 5. Yeah, I feel like this is fine. Let's check this. Oh, yeah. Oops. So this is the seconds full, and this is the seconds light. Execute again, please. Yeah, look at this. It's already feeling much better to have the control like this, right? Woo! I've escaped. Okay, oops. Wrong level. Wrong level. Let's get back to the menu. You do, right? Okay, sure, level 4. Level 4, freaking it is. Actually, oh, that's not the level that I want to test stuff. I think this is the level that I want to test stuff. Ooh. Ooh, this feels more floaty now. I don't like it. Ugh, okay, maybe we apply this only to the sideway, to the game mushroom instead of all of them, right? So let's get the timing here and export it as a settings, right? Export var. Deny movement for load bigger to 0.1. Twin movement for 0.15. There you go. So this is the default one for the game mushroom. And for the straight mushroom, we're just going to set this to 0 and 2. Probably. I like this. Why is this not on any of my playlists? Strawberry jam. Modded Celeste music, yo, cool. Oh, this is looking kind of shit. Level 3 should feel better, I guess. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, it feels less floaty, but it doesn't feel fully not floaty, which is kind of strange. Ooh, that felt horrible. Well, I guess. Doesn't really matter. Or does it? I guess it does. I guess it does. Ah! Lag spike. Fuck. Suddenly this doesn't feel great again. Have I even changed it? I didn't think I did. Oh, yeah, I did it. Holy shit, I'm dumb. I'm dumb as hell. Holy shit. Deny movement and tween. Let's just call it release. Yeah. Wow, actually. No, I think it's fine. Let's test this. What is this? Okay, this is probably fine. Okay. And didn't fix the problem. um 0 and 0.2. Was it kind of crap? Badly configured? Was it? Where's it, Joel? Is it Joel? Yeah. Let's get the twin. Twin dot twin callback instead. Shit. Twin callback. We got the self.control modifier. Set it to 0.25. Instead of twinning the property here, we're going to just create an interval. Interval. Sure. It's properly saved. This is have the proper values. Let's test it again. Actually, never mind. Where is level 5 or is it 6? It's 4. It's neither. Okay. Forest 4. It is Forest 4. Okay. It's a cool song. That's a cool song, man. Okay, so this goes to the correct place. This goes to the correct place. This doesn't go to the correct place. Okay, so it didn't fix it again. Two. How does this feel? Should have changed it without resetting the game. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Okay, so this goes to the correct place. This goes to the correct place, and I'm getting a bad feeling about this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, so it's still happening. What? Huh. Mm. Mm. Okay, let's just reset everything that we did. Ba-ba-ba-ba-dum. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Ba-da-da-da-da. Mm. 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 Wait a minute. Okay, this goes to the correct place. This is the same test. This kind of still works. And this still goes to shit. This works. This kind of works. This doesn't work. This also doesn't work. Huh. Interval 4 seconds. And this in this, yeah. Was this really working, or was I just coping or something? Because now I'm doubting myself. What is this? Oh, my controller died. That's what happened. Yep, totally died. Now let me switch the batteries. At least it was now and not during the night fight. The night fight. There you go. New batteries. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. On top of the mushroom. On the edge of the mushroom. No movement being applied. Movement being applied at the top of the mushroom. Movement being applied at the end of the mushroom. This kind of works. This is great. You know what's not great? Oh. Huh. Anyway. Yeah, this doesn't feel great. Wait. How did I manage? I wonder how I wonder how I did it. What the fuck? Okay, never mind. I don't think I ever fixed the problem. I was just I don't even know. I don't even know. Although how to actually fix the problem now. How does it feel to set this to 0 actually? Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. Beep, 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 beep. Yep, it feels bad. It feels very bad actually. Maybe with a different easing. But honestly, with a different easing is still going to be not good. What am I even executing the project for? um I decided you haven't heard this song enough for enough recently. What song is this? Oh. This fucking looks like a baseball bat, guys. This looks like a baseball bat. This is a baseball bat. But like during the fight, it is not. Well, it doesn't feel like. Like it feels like it has like an edge, you know. It morphs into a sword. Yeah. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you. I'm not crazy. Ba-da-da-da-da. Can you imagine? Actually, the knight is Ezreal. Actually, look at that. Oh my god, fully fuck. Ba-da, ba-da-da-da-da-da. The knight is actually Azrael. He's living into the that like that bunker on the south of the city, and he actually hasn't gone to the university. He has actually been bamboozling the whole town. Time for the clickbait thumbnail. Yeah. I figured it out, guys. I figured it out. I think this song was leaked a long time before Deltarune, but it definitely uses the Knight theme in Ezreal's theme sort of way. In a Ezreal's theme sort of way. Oh. Question, do you want... Oh, this is YouTube. Do you want to... Well, never mind. Never mind the question. Beep, 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 beep. My weasel? Wellesley. I don't know, man. Oh, website! Yeah, of course! That's written website in there. Yeah. Oh, that's his name? I guess it is. Wrong one? In Steam? Okay. What do you mean the quote isn't perfect? Yeah, it's a cute thing. I can't hear it. I can't hear it. History time. The Knight's theme is actually very similar to an old Stub Fox theme called Nightmare Night. Yo, it's really history time. Let's hear to the history. Let's listen to history, guys. Anyway, oh, this sounds so bad. What is this? Anyway, after this, I do Spotify, so you can't worry. It takes a while. It's nightmarish, right? The song isn't made well. I listen to covers. Poor Toby Fox at the start of his career. Oh, it is. Cucumber Quest. Metaton's theme is from the same comic. And this one is way better. What do you mean the same? Oh! Wait a minute. What do you mean comic? Oh, I recognize this. And it, oh man. It is indeed way better. Pico Adventure. It's my favorite anime. The fuck? Well, technically this one is official for Cucumber Quest, while Nightmare Night is a fan song. Oh, I see. I want to listen to Metaton's theme now. Holy shit, this music is fire. Oh man. Death by Glamour? Nah, wait a minute. Dun, 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 dun. Is this it? No, this is not the only one. I'm in doubt in which one that which one is the one that I want to listen to. Yeah, there it is. It's Metal Crusher. I mean, the Metal Crusher is the other one that I'm searching for. Which one is the one that I want to hear? I think it's Death by Glamour. But let's listen to both, Fred. All right, rather let's also listen to Metal Crusher, Death by Glamour in parentheses from Holder, because that's amazing. That cover is amazing. Remix cover? I don't know. How do you even call it? Oh, Joint Venture, them. It was Death by Glamour. God, how I love this song. My rendition of Undertale's album covered by my mouth. Yay, the sequel! I really enjoyed the first one. Yay! Oh, now it's Holder's time. Ba-da-bum-bum. Someday I gotta do like an actual cover where I do the song exclusively with my mouth, but like I layer all of the different instruments, right? And like, I don't know, a shitty DAW like BandLab. Ba-da-da-ba-ba. It's TV time! That's a nice inclusion to the song. TV World was apparently composed in 2016. The motherfucker has been cooking for a long time. I wonder, did he do Deltarune with the characters from Undertale, or did he do Undertale with the characters from Deltarune? Begs the question, right? I can imagine sitting on a song this fire for a decade. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's TV time! It's TV time! Deltarune's ending came to him in a dream, in a fever dream apparently. Then he made some concepts, then decided to make Undertale, then used the cast from that to help portray his story. Oh, cool. So it was the characters from Undertale in Deltarune. Fuck! The ending of chapter 7, you mean? Came to him in a fever dream? Motherfucker. Ow! I should start. I should stop. Yeah. That's not sanitary. I don't think so. The only character thought up as the at the time were Lancer, really Lancer, and some other playing card characters, I believe. Damn, I would have guessed like Rossi, you know, like the only character he thought was Rossi, you know, but it was fucking Lancer. Oh man. Fucking Lancer. Who's Kibo? I don't know. Fuck Kibo. Start the code. Let's start the code. There is some pre-Undertale release sketches of the Fun Gang, but yeah, not much is known. There you go. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba da ba ba. Ba 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 ba. I'm being autistic, guys. I'm being autistic with the malls. I'm here like trying to attempt to count the time of the music. I think it's in far far. Yeah, I'm being autistic. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Ba-da-ba-ba, 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 ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Hopefully you appreciate it, right? Did you know River Boy died earlier this year? How the fuck is River Boy? Who is River Boy? Oh, he's the composer for the Cut of the Lamb. Holy no! Oh no! I'm listening to fucking River Boy. What the fuck? That guy died? Oh, god damn it! Person who made the song you're listening to. Oh no! Damn River Boy. I'm sorry, River Boy. River Boy, you made great music, man. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. God fucking damn it. It continues to be a problem. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Mm. 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 Ba-dum. How is it going? How it started? How is it going? I don't know. How is it going? So it's I'm going insane. I'm always going insane, man. I don't know. Why do you even like coding, man? Coding is just like various forms of going insane. Can't request change or stage? No, that's fine. Fail to load script. Menu pause with completion error. The fuck? Oh, yeah, totally. Sorry. Try again. Mm. Oh, is it not being assigned? What? What? Well, never mind then. I feel like this is one that I kind of want to check, so let's print. You know what? If control modifier is different than 1, then we're going to print velocity. Well, I already know that that's the velocity, so yeah, I think it's fine. That's the initial velocity. That's the velocity after the. You know what? Let's tag them. Initial or let's tag them at the end. Initial. This is movement force. This grab is on floor. It's not on floor actually. Maybe we maybe want this. So now we were not interested in the gravity because the gravity is the gravity only points downwards, and I'm mostly interested in the X component, not the Y component. You know what? Let's just print it, because maybe that's the problem. Bum 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 ba-da-da-dum, bum bum ba-dum bum ba-dum bum bum ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-da-da. Though those two are not really that interesting to see. The drag is also not really that interesting to see. Yeah, fuck the drag actually. I don't care about the drag. Damn, well, maybe that's correct. You know what? Okay. Yeah, it is saved. It didn't update automatically. I wonder why. We do recommend using a controller, yeah. That is something that we do recommend. Or actually, I recommend. Do you recommend? So initial and movement force is the same? And the gravity kind of changes it? Shoulder buttons are probably a bit easier, but it's perfectly fine on the keyboard. What are you talking about? what are you talking about? Are you talking about the Joe switching? You can keep the adversary. Oh, yeah. The controller recommendation. Yeah. Yeah, I did. Yeah, thank you. Okay, cool. So you can get only the fucking first frame. So let's get only the first fucking frame. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba. Yo, hello, Sir Stefan. How are you freaking doing? We're kind of crying here because of a dumb bug. Probably should just leave it there. Huh. It's the same. The velocity is the fucking same. What? Well, I guess. Huh. Call the Helldivers one. Bug Smashers. Oh yeah, makes sense, makes sense. Helldivers. Attack! Request hell bombs! For democracy! Liberate the potatoes! Get to the mama! Don't get choppa! You know what? Let me just think a little bit. Let's apply less force if you're closer to the edge. Does this work even? Probably. This probably works actually. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba. Woo! That was a bad one. I mean, it was a good. It was what it was aiming for testing. Bad one. Let's try a hack a little bit, right? Let's try a little bit of a hack. Process frame. Is it process framing here? It is. Okay. I'll wait, and then we're going to apply the force. But first, we're just going to apply the negative of the velocity with a frame, and then, you know, let's try physics frame instead. Yeah. Yeah. What am I saying, man? What am I saying? Ba, ba, bum. This is good. This is kind of okay. This is kind of okay. I missed the point. Nope. Still bad. What if I just don't? Right? What if I just don't? What happens if I don't? That's kind of funny. Yo, what? Oh, yeah, makes sense. Does it make sense? Wait a minute. What the fuck? Hmm. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, 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 ba. Indeed it is, guy. Indeed it is, my guy. Indeed it is. But that position or global position or position. I think it's global position. Yeah, global position. Bum, 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 bum. Draw a circle. What is the position of the circle? It's last. Last contact minus south dot global position. What else? Radius. I don't know. 5 pixels. Sure. Color red. Is it enough? It is enough. Ba-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, thanks for the follow, boss gangs. Holy shit. Welcome to the chat. I mean, not the chat. I don't know, the channel. Da-da-da-da. Oh, no. Oh, shit. What? How does that make any sense? Bum, 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 bum. Oh, yeah, no, yeah. Wait a minute. Does it make sense? Wait a minute. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, ba-da-ba. Uh-huh. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. Ba-da-da-ba, ba-do-da. Ba-da-ba. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. Ew. Yep, I broke all of the mushrooms because I'm stupid. Never mind. I'll fix it later. Yep. Okay. Do understand.
You are now entering ad void.
Let's fucking go over it.
Welcome back from the ads.
Hmm. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Ba-ba-ba. Ba-dum, 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 ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Ba-dum, bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, 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 ba-da-da-da-da-da. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba Ba-da-da-da-ba. Mm-hmm. 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 Ba 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 ba. What? What is this? Like when I jump from below, it basically always dies. Huh. You have a draw function in here. Oh, I do. Oh, cool. Wait a minute. Let's multiply it by like, I don't know, half. $25. Let's multiply it by 25. That's not magenta. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, no, I did change some stuff. Forgot about it. I forgot about it. No fucking way. Fucking slope. God fucking damn it. Fucking slope. Look at this shit. Guys, never put a slope on your platform on your 2D platformer. What is this? Okay, but like going from the back, it's kind of the player's fault. I don't care. That's speedrun strat. Like, let's just leave it. Okay. Yeah. Let's just undo fucking everything and just change that. Holy shit. Let's add the reloads. Cheat reload. Actually, I need a little bit more, right? I also need the project one. And I think that's it. So sparkles, add, cheat, reload. What about the Joe? Let's add the changes. No. Let's cancel everything. Every fucking thing. Reload from disk for everything. You're not getting it. Just reload everything. Throw everything into the trash. We're going to do it again. Because I was messing around. Bum, 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 bum. Ba-da-ba-bum. Ba-ba-bum, ba-ba-bum, ba-ba-bum. Oh, it's taking so long to initialize, man. I wonder why. Yeah, let's leave the debug information for the mushroom, for the last contact. And also let's change the position to the size of this, right? Opa. Not like this, make it unique. Yep, something like this. What about the straight mushroom? The straight mushroom also needs kind of this treatment. But just this is fine. And in the Joe, let's just bump max angle to fucking 180. Does it make sense? I don't think it does. I don't think it does, but sure, I don't think we have any other slope in the game, and we shouldn't, cause fucking slopes. But yeah, let's see. Is this better? Ba 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 ba. Oh no, wait, what is this? Oh no. What is this? Yeah, what is this? Okay, 180 is just too much. Maybe 90? 90. Maybe 90? Nope. That feels horrible. Oh no, you fix one thing and you break 15 others. You know what? At least the fucking mushroom is working. But this is not fine. About 60. Ooh. I wonder how this even works. And now I die every time. What is this? Okay, what does max angle even changes, right? Maximum angle in radians, whereas slope is still considered floor or ceiling rather than a wall. When calling move and slide, the full value is 45 degrees. And when we set this to 180, which is the complete opposite of the ground, right? Which is floor. Which is probably why the velocity, the gravity velocity is not being applied properly. I mean, it's being resetted because it detects a ground and it sets the velocity to 0. Okay, what about 90? This kind of works. This kind of works. Oh, yeah. This doesn't work. This still doesn't work. Holy shit, okay. So 90 doesn't work? Oh. I've added slow climbing. Wall climbing, guys. Wall climbing. Funny. Oh shit. Wrong scene. Forest 4, yeah. Ba-da-da-ba. Have I fixed it with 80? Is 80 the magic number? Ba-da-ba-da, ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-ba. I don't even understand what really this 80 maps to. Bang. Okay, I'm not really sure why, but 80 here works really good. It falls by default. The body will move faster on downward slopes and slower on upward slopes. If true, the body will always move at the same speed on the ground, no matter the slope. Note that you need to use floor snap length to stick along a downward slope at a constant speed. Ba-da-ba-ba, ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-ba. Ba-da-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da-da-da. Ba-da-da-ba, ba-da-ba, ba-ba, ba-da-da-ba, ba-ba, ba-da-da-ba. Bug, fix, mushroom, kinda unpredictable, I guess. I think, hopefully it is fixed, guys. Hopefully it is fixed. This is like the third time that I try fixing the mushroom, and hopefully the third time is the charm, right? That's what they say. That being said, with my duty completed of fixing the freaking mushrooms, let's try maybe raiding someone else. Who should we raid, I wonder? Ooh. Who should we raid? What is this? Welcome to the family.
So I'm gonna stop.
You know what? Let's just give it a good raid into Infamous. It's been a little while.
And you find your own type of style, and people like just
Raid Infamous, guys. Oh, that's the wrong command. Raid. There you go, guys. We are going to raid Infi, and see you next time, which is not this Wednesday, because this Wednesday I'm going to fucking Edo show here in Brazil. Friday fucking is. Haha. Probably. I don't know. Maybe tomorrow I will do another stream to compensate. Should I? I don't know. That's it. Bye-bye. See you next time. Until next stream. Until next stream, guys. Holy